EV maker Longbow is taking 2 sleek new models to market, and analysts say the competition might be taking note. That's because Longbow's latest entries have more going for them than your average electric car. This UK-based startup is supported by a strong pedigree, including ex-employees from EV leaders like BYD, Tesla, and Lucid. And Longbow hopes to leverage this talent in order to capture driving enjoyment with 2 new exciting electric sports cars, the Speedster and the Roadster. Longbow calls them FEVs, a nod to one of their most defining features. The F stands for featherweight, and instead of your typically overweight electric, the automaker is breaking the mold. The Speedster weighs reportedly less than 2,000 pounds, and the Roadster comes in at 2,200. For comparison, the heaviest EV in the industry, the GMC Hummer, weighs in around 9,000 pounds. Car and Driver says the 2 models use an aluminum chassis and composite panels to cut weight. A long, flat profile looks dynamic and ready to sprint from 0 to 62 in just 3.5 seconds. The 2-seaters are both rear-wheel drive, and a recent feature by Top Gear explained that many of the components, including batteries, motors, and brakes, would be sourced from other companies, possibly the nearby high-performance component suppliers that service area Formula 1 and Formula E teams. Car and Driver adds, however, that certain elements such as the lights and mirrors will be parts bin pieces to keep costs down. Speaking of cost, the Speedster is set to be a hand-built, limited run for $110,000 US, while the Roadster comes in at a more approachable price of $84,000 and will be produced at higher volumes. Despite being feature-rich, the Roadster specifically is getting a lot of attention for one other reason. Observers note that the Roadster name is a not-so-subtle dig at competitor Tesla. In fact, Top Gear went so far as to say it was deliberately named to annoy Elon Musk. That's because Tesla has yet to release its own Roadster model, which it's been teasing for 8 years. For Longbow, it took a mere 2. The company was founded in 2023. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.